In this video, we're going to be looking at a 4-stroke diesel engine. We're going to run through all of the main parts and then I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So keep in mind, 4-stroke diesel engines are used for small, medium, sometimes moderately large applications. But when you get to very large applications, you will not use a 4-stroke diesel engine. You'll actually use a 2-stroke diesel engine. Now there are 4 strokes per combustion cycle. That means in order to fully end a combustion cycle, the piston is going to need to move down once, up once, down once, up once. That's 4 strokes. We finish compressing the air. We get a controlled explosion. The fuel has now ignited within the combustion space. That is represented by this red color, which signifies heat. We have our controlled explosion and the piston is going to be forced downwards. Because of this explosion, there is a huge increase in pressure and temperature, and we're going to force that piston down. And as the piston travels down, it's going to complete one full stroke. The camshaft is this section here. And typically it will run down the side of the engine or perhaps on the top of the engine. And the camshaft will control when we inject fuel into the combustion chamber, when the intake valves open and allow air into the combustion space, and when we open and close our exhaust valves and allow the exhaust gas out of the combustion space. The piston is moving upwards now. Notice the exhaust gas valves have opened and the exhaust gas is being pushed out past these 2 valves and into the exhaust gas manifold. Comes the piston, completes its stroke, reaches top dead center. The exhaust gas has completely or almost completely exited the combustion chamber. And that means we've completed our 4th stroke, and that was our exhaust stroke.